Today is the 24th of January 2021 and I am at North Gandhi Maidan at Patna, India. We are here to visit the iconic gateway of Patna, that is the Sabhyata Dwar or the Civilization Gate. This gateway is a bit recent addition to the many famous structures that came up in the city in recent past. It is situated on the bank of river Ganga along with other famous buildings such as Samrat Ashok Convention Center, the Gyan Bhavan and Bapu Sabhagar, all in the same campus. The gate is made up of red and white sandstone and resembles the Mauryan style of architecture to show the ancient glory of the famous ancient city of Patliputra. It's over 100 feet high and stands taller than the famous Gateway of India at Mumbai. The arches of the gateway bears inscriptions of the famous historic figures such as Megasthenes, Ashoka, Gautam Buddha, Mahavira, etc. There is also a well-maintained park on all sides of the gate where visitors can sit, relax and enjoy. The best part is that the entry for visitors is absolutely free. Since it's cold today at Patna, therefore I am sitting here under the sun in this pleasant ambience, which is truly relaxing. There is also a small temple in this park, probably for those young guys and girls who can pray to get a good partner. Adjacent to this civilization gate is the Gyan Bhavan, where fairs and exhibitions are held very often. Right now also, it is hosting a fair by the name of Mega Trade Fair 2021. Let us get inside. The entry ticket to this fair is 0 rupees, that is, it is free. But you have to get entry ticket by registering your mobile number. On display in this fair are many different variety of items of personal and household needs. Sellers not just from different parts of India but from outside India have stalls in this fair and have items on display ranging from furnitures to toys and gifts to clothing, apparels and home decor, to eatables, kitchen items and health and wellness, etc. etc.
ये देखिए मल्टीपर्पज फोल्डिंग टेबल, रीडिंग के लिए, राइटिंग के लिए, पेंसिल के लिए, ड्राइंग के लिए, सारा देख के जाओ।
I too stopped at one of the stalls to purchase authentic Iranian saffron.
Pure kesar.
What's the price of it?
This 1,500.
1,500.
After discount 1,200. Before discount just around 2,000. Welcome sir. Welcome sir. Welcome sir.
The last day of this fair is the evening of 1st of February 2021.
अपने रंग का नमक, मिर्च, बेसन, आटा, जीरा, लाल टीका, हल्दी,
कितने का है?
150 का एक, 250 के दो।
प्राइस एक ही है, प्राइस के लिए सॉरी।
भैया ये वाला 250 ग्राम दे दीजिए ना, ये वाला।
250 ग्राम दे दीजिए।
मैडम एक ही रेट रहता है हमारे यहाँ पे, 4 साल से एक ही रेट मांगी।
So, if you like to visit a vibrant city in India which is very rich in culture, heritage and architecture, and at the same time very easy to go around and extremely affordable, then please do come to Patna once.